stands for, I'm about to educate you right now. We are Frontier Elite Wrestling, and we are very proud to present to you Unbreakable! But without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to kick this show off? So your opening contest is a scramble match, but this is no ordinary scramble match. Here to help introduce the scramble match, ladies and gentlemen, the man of the hour.
Just to the ring and then they said fight against the really submit while I rap and spit, so you have to get smacked, slap your lips. The name is Count, all proud I bring a dark sound. That don't matter now because it's all about Mark House. Watching him, you better train again. You be fighting for his bodies in the
Hi everybody. It's Mark's house, yes, it's Mark's house. I just want to say hello, thanks for coming. I decided to come into F.E.W. because it's been lacking talent and stories and everything. So I came in and decided that I'm going to start bringing my own talent in to give you guys a little injection of everything. So I'm going to introduce, or actually my man Tim here is going to introduce the people that I handpicked today, so you can get a little smell some new faces. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, the following scramble match, it has a 15-minute time limit and is scheduled for one fall. Let's bring out the contestants. The gentleman to my right, Christian Cash. Introducing the second gentleman to my right, Bird. And the gentleman behind me, he is Robbie. Introducing the person to my left, Professor T.S. Wylie! And introducing the next contestant.
Shut your mouth right now! Shut it! Don't you say another word. I'll be damned if I let this company go on without its greatest investment. So therefore, you right here, come here. All right. Lovely. Pleasure doing business with you.
Too loud! Timmy Jackson and
What do you want to be? What is your vision? Never quit. You can be anything you want to be.
Synchronized Media. Transform your dreams.